Okay, today I'm going to introduce you one of my favorite Chinese dishes. And this is the chicken claw. This is the main food today. And this is all the ingredients. Let me introduce you first. This one is common, usual 大蒜 garlic. 大蒜 garlic dishes. And second one, ginger. 姜 ginger. 姜. And this one, 香菜 香菜. Actually, it called 香菜. 香 means it smells good, but actually, this is not smell so good. But yeah, I don't know why. Just Chinese sometimes likes to put some smells bad thing in the dishes. And this pepper, 辣椒. 辣椒. And today we are going to the supermarket, but I didn't find the good fresh pepper, so I just used the dry one. So if you want to use the fresh one, it's okay too. And this one is my secret weapon. This one, we call it 当归. Actually, I think it's a romantic name because 当归 in Chinese is the meaning is just like should come back. Actually, this is kind of medicine, Chinese medicine. 当归, 大蒜, 姜, 香菜, 辣椒, 红辣椒, 当归. Okay, 然后 and then these are what we will use. This sugar and this soy sauce. If you are allergic for soy sauce, you can use the salt instead of this. And this one is another kind of soy sauce. Is just for the better color. So if you don't have these two, it's okay. You can just put the salt. Okay, actually, these dishes is very easy. First, I put some water in the pot and open it. Put the chicken claw inside. When you start the fire, you just put it in immediately. Usually, I think it's like 10 minutes. Okay, then we treat these things. Today, these dishes we call it, actually in Chinese the popular name is 凤爪. Actually, it's chicken, it's not phoenix. But you know, Chinese always want to make the name of the dishes beautiful, so if you go to the restaurants like a little bit elegant, they won't call it 鸡爪, they will call it phoenix claw. And I know these dishes is also popular in Thailand, but usually they put like the lemon pieces in it to add the sour flavor. So if you like it, you can also put the lemon slice. Some ginger. In many Chinese foods, usually if you go to buy some recipe, they won't give you the quantity when you cook. It just writes like salt suitable, ginger suitable. But nowadays the situation changed a little bit, maybe because the influence of the European or just outsider, you know. And this one we won't use it too much because this if too much will make the flour a little bit bitter, so just 2. Okay, it already boiled, so just you need to boil until the chopstick can insert. That means okay. Okay, so we put this in a big bowl. And this a little bit more, and this you can just break it. Okay, put it in. And garlic, I forget. 大蒜，大蒜。我喜欢大蒜。呀 ，OK， 3瓣大蒜 ，3。And this 当归 actually is interesting. I never go out to eat the 泡鸡爪 or 泡凤爪 with 当归 because it's like I told it's secret weapon, right? Actually, it's my auntie. She had a shop for like a breakfast, Chinese breakfast shop several years ago, and it's her secret weapon actually. So I never tasted this flavor outside. If I want to eat, I can just make it by myself. But some people don't like the flavor of 当归. It's a little bit like smell like Chinese, like some Chinese medicine. But I like it. If you don't have these such things, you can just instant it or by lemon. Okay, garlic, 大蒜，好了，大蒜、辣椒、当归、香菜。And then we put some sugar, 糖。Soya sauce. Soya sauce you can put a little bit more. Okay. And this one, black, heavy soya sauce. This is lighter, this is heavy. And maybe a little bit of salt. Okay. Okay, just stir it. And this way to cook is not only suitable for the chicken crawl. Actually, you can also to do the chicken wing and or duck claw is okay. It's the same thing. I think it's okay now. Then we are going to wash it like this. And there is too many bubbles, so we need to wash it. Okay, finish. And then we still need some treat like this, because this part is a lot meat, right? So we need to cut here to make the flavor inside faster. Oh, a little bit hot. 有点烫. Okay, so just like this, it's done. If you want, you can just cut them, separate them. Okay, so we cut all of these. Just stir them. Now we can see the color change is like this, but still not enough because you can see the juicy is not enough, so we cannot put all of the kraut inside. They cannot suck the juice in it, so we need to put more juicy. We need to make it more juicy. I add some water, 水, and now I will add more soy sauce. And a little bit more sugar. Stir it again. Okay, now you can see just like this. That's all of these dishes. You put the chicken kraut in the sauce and you just wait for 8 hours. 8个小时. 5 hours pass away, but let's just pretend 8 hours pass away because I cannot wait. Now let us see what it looks like. Looks delicious, right? Okay, now let's review what we use in these Chinese dishes. First one, what's this? 大蒜 garlic, 大蒜 姜 ginger, 姜 ginger, 香菜 香菜 secret recipe, 当归 当归 盐 盐 糖 sugar 酱油 酱油 This is my first time of cooking in video, so if you like it, please subscribe, like, and share it to your friends, okay? Promise me if you are interested in this Chinese food, please try it and share it to your family or your friends, anyone who can accept chicken kraut. If you have some other advice or suggestion you want to see in my channel, please leave the comments to let me know. I will check it. I will see it. That's all. See you next time. Bye bye.